thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do.
Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from faysfood.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make s'more cookie bars. So we have all our wet ingredients in this large bowl, which includes both the sugars, the brown sugar and white sugar, and the melted unsalted butter. And we want to whisk this until it's well combined and smooth. And then we can begin to add in our egg and egg yolk one at a time, beating well between each addition. And make sure to really whisk it well until everything's incorporated and until the mixture is smooth. Now you can add in your vanilla extract and give that a whisk. I really don't like this green whisk that I have to deal with, but my metal whisks have gone missing, so. Alright, we're going to add in some instant coffee granules, and that's just going to bring out the chocolate flavor. Okay, and at this point we can add in all our dry ingredients, which includes salt, baking soda, graham cracker crumbs, and all-purpose flour. I'm also going to add in our mini marshmallows. Now, this is key with the marshmallows. You want to make sure that they are slightly stale or dehydrated. It's key. I found this out on accident when I was actually a pastry cook at a hotel, and we used to sell these s'more cookies. It just melts better if they're slightly dry. They get a nice gooey texture instead of spreading. So anyways, I'm also going to add in a bit of baking chocolate as well as chocolate chips and discs. Now, if you really want that authentic s'more flavor, just use milk chocolate. I don't even have any on hand right now, so I just use some bittersweet and semi-sweet. But chocolate is chocolate at the end of the day. Alright, so what you want to do is begin by folding everything together, and then as it becomes tougher to fold everything in, you can start by patting it with your rubber spatula until you have what resembles a dough mixture. And at the end of the day, this is our final dough mixture. It's what it should look like. Please resist eating it because it was tough for me to resist. Plus I'm fasting, so usually I would be snacking on that cookie dough for sure. Alright, so I have my 8x8 inch, you can use a 9x9 as well, inch square pan. It's lined with aluminum foil, and you can see I have some overhang, which is going to make it easier to take this out of the pan. And I also sprayed the pan really well with some cooking spray. And the easiest way I find to do this is just dump all the dough in and work with your clean hands to spread it as evenly as possible. And then I also put some chocolate chips and marshmallows on top, just a bit. It just makes the appearance a bit better when you put some more on top. And then you want to bake it at 325 for about 25 to 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like. You can see the marshmallows we put on top get a bit toasted, which is amazing. It looks better overall when you do that last step of adding a bit more chocolate chips and marshmallows on top. Alright, so now is the fun part where you can cut into these as you wish. And this is a messy job, but someone's got to do it. Make sure to wipe your knife in between each cut so you can get some nice clean cuts of these cookie bars. You can see the chocolate all over the knife. That's how you know we've done our job well. So these should give you about 16 bars. It really depends how big you cut these, but typically they give me about 16. And you can see how easy these are to cut because the cookie bar is just really soft. So here's what I would recommend when you bake them. I would bake them at 20 minutes, check how it is. For me, it was perfect at like 25 minutes, but you really, just like a chocolate chip cookie, you really want these to set up in the pan. So I baked them for about 25 minutes, and then I actually let them sit in the pan for another 10 to 15, and then I took them out. That's going to allow them to set, but not overcook, and they're still going to remain soft. So you really want to treat these how you would when you bake cookies. This is how you're going to treat these cookie bars. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it is going to look like when you open them up. They're going to be very chocolatey, messy, gooey from the marshmallows. It's just really, really good. Your kids will love them. Summer is not quite here, but you can have your own little campfire snack at home with these cookie bars. I hope you guys give these a try. The full recipe will be on facefood.com. The ingredients are listed actually in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way, and like this video if you like it. And until next time, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day.
I've been reading you to figure what you're down for. I wanna figure out to make it come around. No, we should quit the game and settle things right here, right now. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do. I wanna take you from